Wait, let me make sure I don't have any purple things in my teeth. I just had an acai bowl. Hello, and welcome to the vlog that I've always wanted to do. Funky is excited too. Can you hear him? Guys, we are so blessed to say what we are about to say. I'm so thankful to Luke and his family for letting me check this off my bucket list. Guys, where are we going? Where are we going? We're going to California! Plan is we leave Saturday
Today
morning.
is Thursday night, or
Yes.
Thursday evening.
Yeah, so we just cleaned the whole house. I just did the dishes. Luke has been such an angel. He did the stairs, guys. He got those stairs
They're
done.
not fully finished.
But we can walk on them.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. Like, I'm so thankful for you. And you did all of the clothes, which is what we're about to do right now. We have our bags right here. We are about to pack for a full week in California. We're going to stay with his family at their house. And, oh, we're bringing the dogs. So,
oh, yeah, that's why we were holding
that's why we were holding them. Duh. We're bringing the dogs. Karma B is going to be Luke's carry-on, and Loki is a service animal for me since I'm bipolar. So. It's gonna be screaming the whole time. Oh my gosh.
Man, I thought we were gonna have to worry about the dog. I'm gonna have to worry about you being.
I know.
What are you getting hyped for?
California.
What are we about to do?
Oh, we about to pack.
No, right now.
Make love. I'm just kidding. I love you.
Later.
Okay. Obviously, we're kind of harebrained everywhere, but we just got done packing. We forgot to tell you guys that whenever we booked our flights, we didn't know it was going to be Mother's Day, and so we're flying to California across the country to surprise Luke's mother for Mother's Day.
She has no idea that we're coming, so we're just gonna show up and see what her reaction is.
And surprise her with the dogs. I think we're going to let the dogs run in first.
Something like that.
Can't wait! Okay, so it is Saturday the 7th. It's 4:30 in the morning. If you can't tell by my face. I'm about to get ready, so it's crazy. Oh my gosh, it's like setting in. Like, we are all packed almost. We just gotta pack our toiletries, and then we get to go. Oh, this is crazy. So let me get ready. Did you already give the dogs their meds?
Yeah.
So yeah, we are about to fly across the country with 2 dogs in an airplane. We'll see how that goes. We're gonna give them some medicine and not really let them eat that much just so we can get there. So hopefully they'll do okay on the plane. I'm praying. I think they'll be fine.
Y'all, it's 5:30 in the morning and I'm way too energetic.
Like, today's the day. It's like setting in. Like, we're about to leave. We're making lunch. We're making breakfast right now, and oh my god, it's setting in. Like, what the heck? We're going across the country. Okay, so I'm trying to chug this. Matt's here. We're gonna go. He's gonna take us to the airport. So we made it past TSA,
Security,
all of
check-in,
it.
all that.
Loki's checked in, Karma's checked in. They're doing so good. It is 6:41 in the morning.
So we board in like 45 minutes.
Yeah, if you travel with your animals, make sure that before you get to the airport, you get them registered on the flight, and then make sure that you just go ahead and buy a health certificate, because some airports need it and some airports don't. So if we leave California, yeah, it's better to have it. It's really expensive though.
You keep cutting my forehead off.
We're so excited. We made it on the airplane, and I thought that I forgot my meds, but I didn't. We're good. So.
Okay. So we'll film takeoff and when we're in there. So.
Ooh, okay, so where are we at? We're in
The Italian kitchen. Oh, you're talking about where we're at.
We're in Dallas-Fort Worth right now at the airport. I just went to the artisan market and got a salad, and Luke is at the Italian kitchen. Well, we're both at the Italian kitchen, but he's eating at the Italian kitchen, and you got the pasta.
The shrimp pasta linguine.
Look how good my salad looks. Yum. So you can still eat healthy on the go, just saying. Tired. What time is it? It's not even 12 o'clock yet. It's 11:57. We're waiting to board our plane. We should board it in like 30 minutes, something like that.
We've been awake for 8 hours.
Already.
I am tired.
Me too. Okay, Editor Kaylee here. I'm popping in to give you some background because we kind of didn't film Luke's mom's reaction. What happened is she knew we were coming, kind of. She had this premonition or whatever 8 minutes before we got there and called Luke, so she knew Luke was coming. We couldn't really keep it a secret. She like had it in the back of her mind. So basically the plans changed since she knew Luke was coming. She didn't know I was coming with the puppies. So we let Luke walk in first, and then I came around the corner with the puppies, and whenever she saw Luke, she got excited, and then she was like, oh wait, your girl isn't here, your babies aren't here, this isn't gonna be a good trip, you know, like you're gonna be missing Kaylee and the dogs. And then right whenever she said that, I walked around the corner, and this is what happened.
What'd you guys think?
I heard you were like, you didn't bring anybody? I was just sitting there, I was like, it's the perfect time, here we go. Look at the thing.
Okay, so yeah, we're here. We just got all settled in. You saw us surprise Lisa. Sorry, I didn't actually get her reaction. It was just too much all at once. Like, it was just so much excitement and everything. So we just ordered sushi, and we're gonna eat that tonight, and I'm gonna watch a California sunset. I'm looking at some mountains right now. Let me show you what I'm looking at. It's crazy. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at her sitting. She's so pretty. Oh, there's a Ruby. Lucky, come on, buddy. Come on, Bubba. You're a good boy. Hey, Ruby. That's a good boy, yeah.
Not saying
Show off your outfit. Yeah, it's all Ethica. Oh yeah, you looking like a baddie.
I love the shirt.
It looks good.
I know, I do too.
I love the design.
That's insane.
insane in the membrane.
Get him, get him. Oh, she's getting you. God. Get him, Bubba, get him. Oh yeah, yeah. Get it, get it.